Hi, it's Daniel. I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch4 Classic, a connected wearable. This watch could help you feel good and look good, while also helping you stay connected to the things you love to do most. So let's dive in. Along with the Watch4 Classic, in the box you'll also get the Samsung Watch wireless charger with USB cable, the quick start guide, and the Ridge sports strap. This watch is a classic with its iconic shape and stainless steel casing. It has a rotating bezel that combines functionality and style, and a beautiful display with crisp images and smooth performance. The watch is available in two sizes, the large 46mm that I'm holding here and a smaller 42mm size, both with a Super AMOLED touchscreen display and fast charging capabilities. Both sizes are available in black and in silver. To get started, you'll first activate your eSIM for LTE service by scanning the QR code, then sync your watch with the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. You can download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store. If you'd like to use your smartphone number on your wearable, you can do that by syncing your number using AT&T Number Sync. Now you can make calls, send texts, and receive notifications from your smartphone when you're outside of Bluetooth range, so your friends and family just need to memorize one number. It's pretty cool. Here we go. So let's walk through navigation. You can use the rotating bezel to get around the device, which is super smooth and easy, and use the touchscreen navigation to open and do more within an app, or swipe through different screens. To get to the watch face from any screen, tap this red button. You can also do things like personalize the order of your apps by touching and holding an app and dragging the icon. This dot here means you have a notification, and ongoing activities are shown as an icon on the bottom of the screen. Just tap to access the info. You can also take a screenshot by pressing the home and back keys at the same time. And you can find your screenshots in the gallery on your phone. To answer or decline calls and to dismiss alerts hands-free, enable gestures. There's also select Google Apps integration like Maps, YouTube Music, Google Assistant, and more that you can access straight from your wrist. Samsung Health helps you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. With the ECG heart rate monitor, you can measure your heart rate. There's an app to measure stress, sleep, and blood oxygen levels. Make the most of your workouts with live coaching sessions. Plus, you can enjoy all your favorite activities without worry with its water-resistant rating. So that's a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch4 Classic, the watch that helps you feel good and look good while staying connected virtually anywhere.
To learn more about AT&T, subscribe to this channel, visit the AT&T newsroom, or watch more videos in the playlist seen here.